If you've picked Excellence Riviera Cancun, or ERC, as your next vacation spot, it's time for the next big decision, choosing which room best suits your needs and your budget. With a whopping 12 different suite categories, ERC can make this choice feel a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm Nancy from New Travel Escapes, and today we're breaking down all of your options, what each suite offers, where they're located, and most importantly, whether or not they're worth your hard earned money. Hey everyone, in this video we'll be diving into the various room categories at Excellence Riviera Cancun, a luxury, adults-only, all-inclusive resort in Mexico's Riviera Maya, about 25 to 30 minutes south of the Cancun Airport. ERC has 440 rooms, and here's the best part, they are all suites. Yep, even the entry-level rooms come with a lounge or seating area. And with 12 suite categories to choose from, we'll start by walking you through the 4 standard suite options before tackling the club level upgrades. I want to preface this video by telling you that we're going to show you the interiors of different suites so that you can get a good idea of the layout and their design style, and what you get for your money. Have we stayed in all 12 categories? I wish. Nope, we haven't, but I have footage of a few of my favorites, including a rare connecting room suite, and I'll also tell you all about the other options available. I've also included rack rate pricing from Excellence Riviera Cancun's website, but keep in mind that prices are always changing. Think of these numbers as more of a guideline to show you the difference in cost between room categories. You can often find sales, promo codes, or package deals on travel websites, so while these prices I give you an idea of what to expect, they are certainly not set in stone. Let's start with the entry-level suite. Junior Suite, Spa, or Pool View. These are the smallest and least expensive rooms at 668 square feet or 61 square meters. But don't let the smallest fool you. These suites are still spacious. This is actually the category we book most often, so we've got plenty of experience with it. First, a quick note. Most suites at ERC are very similar on the inside. I mean, really similar. The main difference between categories is usually the balcony or terrace views, so keep that in mind as we go along. When you enter the room, you'll notice a keycard system for the electronic entry, and the first thing you'll see is a large closet with tons of storage. You've got a safe that fits a 15-inch laptop, bathrobes, slippers, and often an umbrella, perfect for those tropical rain showers. There's also a nifty room service box so you won't have to leave dirty dishes outside of your door. It's little touches like these that I love about the Excellence properties. The open concept bathroom is big, with double sinks and Excellence branded toiletries that are actually pretty decent in quality. There's a jacuzzi tub that's big enough for 2, a separate toilet area, and a separate shower. That being said, privacy is a bit limited. While the doors are frosted glass, the bathroom is still what I would call semi-private. So if you're sharing the room with someone you're not super close to, you might want to keep this in mind. For comfort, the rooms come equipped with air conditioning and a ceiling fan, and even in the heat of July, we've always found the AC does the trick. You'll also have Wi-Fi, which works great throughout the resort. Next up is the minibar, which is stocked with an espresso machine, a variety of soft drinks, juice, tonic water, bottled water, beer, and snacks, all refreshed once a day. You'll also find red and white wine, along with full bottles of rum, vodka, and tequila. Cheers to that. And instead of an iron, ERC provides a garment steamer. Now, if you've never used one before, there are instructions on the Excellence app. I guess this was not just a problem for me. The app is super helpful, by the way. You'll also find a hairdryer and a luggage scale. Well, it's a person scale, but I call it a luggage scale because I do not recommend weighing yourself while you're on an all-inclusive vacation. Just weigh your bags. Each room has a 55-inch TV, comfy linens, and a pillow menu, also on the app, so you can customize your pillow to your liking. The housekeeping is consistently excellent in our experience, and there's even nightly turn-down service, which is one of my favorite little luxuries. They come in, tidy up the room, turn down the bed, close the blackout blinds, and replace the towels. Perfect after a long day in the sun. Now, let's talk about balconies. The Junior Suite Spa or Pool View rooms are located on the second and third floors of the buildings surrounding the spa and lazy river, as well as in Building 6. Each balcony has a daybed, 2 chairs, and a small table, perfect for relaxing, having breakfast outside, or just sitting there with a nice drink. One cool thing about ERC is that they offer very few connecting junior suites. This is really rare for an adults-only resort. One suite has 2 double beds and can sleep 3 and connects to a suite with a king bed. While these aren't guaranteed if you're traveling with a group, it's worth putting in the request if you want them. Because of the bathroom privacy situation, we really like this connecting room option when we are at ERC with our adult children. It gives them a little more space to get out of each other's way. Now let's step it up with the next category. Junior Swim Up Suite with Spa or Pool View. These suites are identical inside to the Junior Suite Spa or Pool View, but instead of a balcony, you get a walkout terrace. This leads directly into the pool or the lazy river. Plus, there's a second jacuzzi tub on the terrace, perfect for winding down in the evenings. Since these suites are all on the ground floor, they're also ideal if you prefer to skip the stairs or you're wary of elevators. The next step up is the Junior Suite Ocean View, which is on higher floors in prime resort locations. Now, like most resorts, ERC's definition of an ocean view can be a bit flexible. As long as you can see a sliver of the ocean from your balcony, even if you have to crane your neck a bit, they count it as an ocean view. That said, the best non-club ocean view rooms are in Building 6, in my experience. If you're looking for more space, the 2-story rooftop terrace suites is where you'll want to be. These suites are 1,060 square feet or 98.5 square meters and come with, you guessed it, a 2-story layout. Inside the suite is similar to what we've already seen, but there are stairs that lead you up to the rooftop terrace. You get your own private plunge pool, daybed, shower, and seating. The views are beautiful, and if you're someone who loves enjoying breakfast with the sunrise, or taking an afternoon siesta, the rooftop is a dream. There are a couple of downsides though. The rooftop terraces are great, but your enjoyment in the summer months might be limited because there is not a lot of shade up there, and they get really hot. The rooftop plunge pools are also not climate controlled. Some guests have been known to ask the staff to MacGyver a hose to the hot water in their shower. It's not always an issue, but it certainly can be during the winter months. Well, that wraps up your non-club suite options. There are only 4 of them. But next, we'll get into the Excellence Club suites, and that's where the bulk of the suite choices come in. Before we dive into the Excellence Club suite options, let's quickly break down what upgrading to the club actually gets you. I'll display the standard amenities alongside the Excellence Club perks on the screen for easy comparison. In the end, it all boils down to what you value most on your vacation. Is the upgrade worth the money? Well, you're the only one that can decide that, but let me at least walk you through what's in it. First off, club level guests enjoy a few room perks, like upgraded toiletries and premium in-room liquor brands. Sure, they mention sparkling wine and fresh fruit, but in my experience, we get those in the standard rooms too, so that's one more of a bonus that's not really an exclusive perk to me. You also get 1 hydrotherapy circuit per person, and though fair warning, it's not as luxurious as it used to be. It's nice, but it's not going to be the highlight of your stay. There's a separate beach area for club guests. Yes, there's a designated section in front of the club pool, but let's be honest, 50 feet to the left or the right and you're still on the same stunning beach. So if that's a deal breaker for you, then the upgrade might be worth considering. If not, no worries, the sand and the sea remain fantastic either way. The service is excellent. Now, why do we personally offer club level when we can? 2 main reasons. First, access to Magna, the club level restaurant. The food here is excellent, and some say the best on the property. If you're a foodie, that might tip the scales. However, I'll also say that all of the restaurants at ERC are pretty great, so you won't be left hungry no matter where you eat. Second, the club pool. If you're after a quieter, more relaxed pool experience, the club pool is your haven. When our budget allows for it, I love to book a swim-up oceanfront club suite. But that's just my preference. The rest of our squad are all about the main pool with its activities and lively atmosphere. If you're more into socializing and joining the action, you might not even bother with the club pool. So, is it worth it? It's really a personal choice. I've done both club and non-club stays, and honestly, while I love some of the club perks, I don't miss them when we skip it. If you don't go for the upgrade, I doubt that it will take away from your overall experience. Here's a general idea of how the resort sets up at the buildings and room locations. So let's talk about those club level suites. Starting with the Excellence Club Junior Suite Pool View. These suites are pretty much identical to the standard ones that we have already seen, but with a prime location, usually in Building 9, offering a nice view of the pool. Now, for those of you who like easy pool access, we have the Excellence Club Junior Swim Up Suite Pool View. These are the ground floor rooms in Building 9, and you can swim right out of the pool and up onto your terrace. If poolside lounging is your vacation vibe, then this one might be for you. Next, Excellence Club Junior Suite Ocean Front, located in Buildings 7 and 8 on the 2nd floor. These give you a front row seat to the beach and Caribbean Sea. A pretty sweet view to wake up to. If Ocean Front is more your style, then the Excellence Club Junior Swim Up Suite Ocean Front could be your match. I love this room category. Most of these swim ups open onto the club pool, but there are a few in Building 7 that lead directly out into the main pool area, conveniently close to the Soul Bar and the wood-fired pizza spot. Pizza and a pool? Now we are talking. Moving on to the Excellence Club Honeymoons, Oceanfront. This suite is bigger at 1,041 square feet or 97 square meters. It comes with 2 balconies, a spacious living room, and a fantastic outdoor jacuzzi. Perfect for when you want to relax in style with a view of the ocean. There is only one of these suites, and it is located on the corner of Building 7, overlooking the Las Olas restaurant on the beach. For those craving a bit more luxury, check out the Excellence Club 2-story rooftop terrace suites, Ocean Front. Whew. These beauties come with 1,060 square feet of space, a private plunge pool on your rooftop terrace, and panoramic views of the club pool. They're very similar to the non-club rooftop suites, but with all of the Excellence Club perks. Keep in mind though, it'll cost you about $300 more per night for that extra exclusivity. And now we're entering the real luxury territory with the Excellence Club Imperial Suite. There are 2 of these suites on the property, both located on the end of Building 8. These are massive at 1,993 square feet or 185 square meters and come with a huge terrace or balcony, a separate living and dining room, a kitchen, an outdoor jacuzzi, and your very own private butler. This suite screams luxury retreat for those who want to seriously elevate their stay. Something to note though, if you're going to splurge on one of the 2 Imperial suites on the property, you don't get to choose which one. One is a swim-up suite with a huge terrace right onto the club pool, and the other is directly above it, without the swim-up terrace, but huge balconies nonetheless. Unlike the 2 different honeymoon suite options that are priced differently, the Imperials are not. Before you ask, I have no idea why. It's just the way they do it. Last, but certainly not least, the Excellence Club Honeymoon Suite Oceanfront with Rooftop Terrace. Long name, but wow, what a room. This is touted as one of the best honeymoon suites in all of the Caribbean. It offers ocean views, 2 balconies, a spacious living room, an outdoor jacuzzi, and even a couple's massage room. At 2,080 square feet or 193 square meters, you're getting a lot of space and plenty of privacy. There is one of these suites, and it has arguably the best views on the property. It sits on the end of Building 7, overlooking Las Olas restaurant with its rooftop terrace. Now, about those top-tier suites. Yes, they are definitely on the pricier side. But if you can afford them, you're looking at a very, very personalized experience with plenty of extras. That being said, the vast majority of the rooms here are some variation of a junior suite, which is what we tend to book most often. They're clean, comfortable, and the housekeeping is top-notch. Plus, everyone, regardless of room type, gets access to nice perks like the pillow menu and room service, just the little touches that Excellence does really well. One thing I appreciate about Excellence Resorts is that you never feel nickel and dimed. Even in the most affordable rooms, you're treated to the full experience. And because the resort isn't huge, no matter where your room is located, you're never too far from anything. So if you've narrowed down your vacation search to Excellence Riviera Cancun, I hope that this video has helped demystify the 12 different suite options and given you a better idea of what you're getting for your money. Vacations are a big investment, and choosing the right room can definitely impact your stay. Do you have to pay a fortune to upgrade your room? In my opinion, I have a great experience in the base room here, as well as upgrading to that lovely club level oceanfront swim out. We try to pay it forward and make videos about our experiences at the resorts we choose for our vacation. We pay for all of our own trips, no one ever recognizes us, and the resorts never know that we make videos about our experiences to share with you. We've made several videos about Excellence Riviera Cancun, as it is one of our favorite resorts, so check out our latest review video from 2024 if you're on the fence about this resort. We also have another one about the restaurants and bars. We feel that an important part of what you're paying for at an all-inclusive resort is the restaurants and food quality, so we want to show you the different restaurants, their menus, and some of the dishes. We make these videos to help you decide which resort is right for you, and then which room may or may not be worth your money. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. It's a great way to support our content. It's free and it helps us continue to bring you honest, authentic reviews. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Happy vacation planning, and we'll see you next time. Bye.